Alright guys, I'm gonna try a popper here. I see a bunch of bait fish actually right here. Got a 6 cents ESP 611 medium moderate. Really good for light treble hook baits. I tend to throw crankbaits, little crankbaits with this, so it's kind of perfect for this creek fishing that I'm doing. Yeah, on top water. Yeah. Yeah, let's go ahead and put them back. With the jig here, I'm just making sure I'm at bottom. Popped it off a structure. The structure down here. So usually that's where the smallmouth are at hiding. But there may not be. Oh, got a bite. Had a bite. Oh, that's a fish. I thought I was snagged. I thought I was snagged. That's a nice one. That's a long one. Look at the tail. I just got this little smallmouth bass, probably like a pound, pound and a half at most. Really long fish. Notice the tail right here is kind of cut off, maybe from what is it called, rock? Tail rock, bedding, post spawn for sure. But beautiful fish. Caught it on the jig. I thought I was snagged, and then it kept pulling, so I got her, got a little jump, and gonna go ahead and release her now. All the way across is deep, deeper than here. Yep, that's a fish. Yeah. It hasn't come up yet. That's weird. That's a decent smallie. That's a rock bass. That's why I didn't come up. That's a nice rock bass. Here it is, guys. I got nice little rock bass here. Beautiful fish. Chunky monkey. Go with this fish here. Oh, what a beautiful specimen. I love fishing. But it's just something about cranking and just talking and just reeling something in. Yeah. It's fun. You're chilling, you're just talking. I think for the other techniques you gotta focus a bit more.
See, but that's what your dad was talking about. When he say set into him, we was talking, I didn't feel nothing.
Yeah.
Because he ran with it towards me.
Yep.
But yeah, you got him?
Yep.
Come on, Berto. Me and your dad tag team.
It's a little guy.
What is that, bluegill? No. Oh, I got one myself. Come on, Berto.
Double. Berto.
Come on, hurry up.
Yeah, we got doubled up here, guys. Over here, he got a smallie, I got a rock bass, and Berto's about to catch a fish right now. He stopped it.
Okay, Jay. Let's do it. We gotta catch up to your dad. He just catched up. Look, that's the biggest one that came.
Nah, that's a rock bass. Yeah. It's a rock bass. I'm telling you, there's a. Yeah. Nah, yeah. Nah, it's a rock bass. Yep. It's a rock bass school over there. Or it's the same one. Right here is where you want to cast. Keep it up. Keep your rod tip up. Bring him in. Bring him in. Bring him in. Bring him in. Bring him in.
Some context, I've been wanting my son to catch a fish all day. He signed up to the army recently and heading to boot camp very soon, just trying to soak up as much time I have with him. If kayak and river fishing is your sort of thing, then I would appreciate a sub because that's all I do. Thank you, and until next time.
That was fun.